Welcome back to Tenma Talks. Today we are going to learn English through a simple story. Meet Miss Sarah. She works in an office. She is learning English but she is not very confident yet. She wants to improve her speaking skills. Today, she feels a little nervous. She wants to speak to her boss in English, but she is scared of making mistakes. Sometimes she understands English, but speaking is difficult for her. She thinks, should I try today? What if I make mistake? What if people laugh at me? But if I don't try, I will never improve. She sees her manager standing near the desk. She feels nervous, but she takes a deep breath and decides to try speaking. She walks slowly and says, "Good morning, sir. How are you today?" She speaks slowly and clearly. The manager smiles and says, "Yes, of course. Please tell me. Don't worry, you are doing well." This makes her feel comfortable. Sarah feels happy and relaxed. She says, "Thank you, sir." She feels more confident than before. She realizes that trying is more better than being perfect. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone learns step by step. Speak every day, even if you say little. Practice will make you confident.